A lot of people like new builds. New builds are awesome, but they all look the same. I love remodeling for the sheer fact that you never know what you're getting into until you actually get into it. So things change pretty much on a daily, weekly, regular basis. My name is Katie Schiltz, and my company is Summit Bound Development and Design. I looked at several houses here in the Bozeman area, and this house had an amazing foundation. It has a basement. Ceilings aren't very tall, but tall enough to pass code, and it was great to have that foundation in order for us to do a second-story remodel. Working with Peter was really easy as far as designing it. I pretty much had an idea of what I wanted to do as far as moving a staircase, adding the addition, doing a big back patio door. Peter helped me come up with a lot of the exterior stuff as well as the interior. I wasn't quite sure what type of a roof line I wanted, and I knew I wanted a porch, but I didn't know how to make it match with the roof line. So Peter did an amazing job as far as kind of seeing what I was saying and putting it to paper. The structural work was definitely, I knew something was going to have to happen, and Peter was able to show us exactly how the old floor plan was going to turn into the new floor plan that would match up with the second story. So yeah, we're very excited for this to be our first project here in Bozeman. Knowing how easy it was to work with Peter because he knew how to work with the city, I'm going to be doing another one as soon as this one is finished. My plan is to do maybe 2 to 3 a year. I like to find neighborhoods like this, up-and-coming neighborhoods that definitely, you can tell the whole block is taking care of their houses, and this one kind of needed some help, and that's why we were able to purchase it and start working on it.